As discussed, when setting up your VoiceThread in your course, you should have a separate assignment that includes all the guidelines for the actual VoiceThread assignment. It will also give you the opportunity to attach the grading rubric so that students know how they're being evaluated. In my instructions, I also include a hyperlink to VoiceThread so that they can easily get to it. But but back to how to set up the link directly onto your course page. Just come up here to existing activities and scroll all the way to the bottom to VoiceThread. It's going to sign you in. Once it signs in, you're going to choose from the activity type. This assignment builder is not the one you should be choosing. This is the one where you can grade, rate in VoiceThread, but it doesn't give you a grading rubric. So we should not be using this one. We should be using our assignments in D2L and not using this function. Individual VoiceThread is more for one where you are creating a VoiceThread and just having them be able to watch it. For example, if you were introducing yourself using VoiceThread. Course View is the best option. Course View allows students to be able to see all of the VoiceThreads created in the course. So this is a great option, but just remember that it's not private. I don't mind in my course if students see other students' work. I think that they learn from each other and that I think that that is really valuable to them. So I always use Course View, and that will only allow them to see content from within that course. VoiceThread homepage allows the students to see all of the courses that they're in all at once, which could become complicated and they can't find their work sometimes. But Course View is the best option. If again you have one where it needs to be private and you don't want students seeing each other's work, then you would need to use Assignment Builder. But I would use Course View, and then right here I just say VoiceThread access point and publish it. So now on that page, they have their assignments with the grading rubric and the instructions here, and right underneath it is just a quick access point for them to get into VoiceThread. Now for the instructor that's going to go and grade this assignment, obviously they have to have the assignment tab open in order to be able to access the grading rubric, but then they can also have a second instance open and be able to easily get into VoiceThread using that same access point. So students can access the content here as well as the instructor.